Yeah, hold on.
I can record.
Ow.
Hi, everybody. And this, we're gonna open all the crates I've been good in this game. I had to make a lot of storage for this junk. So annoying. Anyways, I'm just gonna start spam opening all of them. Start spam opening all of them.
Los tropis dicen trippy. Los tropis dicen trippy.
Cut that. Oh, inventory full. Bro, I would have been able to do all that if my inventory wasn't.
Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Right, hold on.
I would auto delete.
Stop! Ow! Stop! You know what stop means? Hey! Look, she was shaking my leg and it hurt my back.
I got one secret, so gonna go ahead and try to get the rest.
Yeah, you're trying to hit me.
Also, I'm gonna send this link to my private server in this video, so you can join it. I have a lot of good stuff,
There's shorts on shorts. I know your shirt.
so we can trade and stuff.
My shirt actually. Is there shorts in there? Okay. That's all I need. I need shorts and my shirt. With my shirt. Yeah. That's all I need. They're gonna shorts on. Because I didn't put my other one on. So I put it on. Stop! It's not all sweaty. Do you know what stop means?
So I'm just gonna delete all this junk.
Where are you? Can't kick her. Come here, mommy.
That hurts my back.
Guys, stop.
Stop kicking me.
Bill, are you still recording?
Yes.
Shrimp is a chocolate.
I'll delete this. Right, that's enough. I should be able to do this. I'm trying to do this opening right now. Right, so just start opening all of them real quick. Start opening all of them.
Maggiani Tanchiani. Kiwi. Trullimero Trullicina.
Oh my! No way! No! Oh my! I just got like 6 or 7 different secrets at the same time. 6, 7.
Maggiani Tanchiani.
Oh my! Oh, hey!
Trullimero Trullicina. Los tropis dicen trippy. Maggiani Tanchiani.
No way! I got this. This is the best day ever. Anyways, bye guys. Bye guys. Hee hee.